Hello friends and welcome to our channel Nutrmite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of pistachios. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos.
If you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further.
Pistachio. Pistachio is one of the oldest nuts that had been grown in the Middle East around thousands of years ago. Pistachio nuts belong to the Anacardiaceae family from the genus Pistachia. A pistachio tree takes about 10 to 12 years to produce the first crop. They have a sweet flavor. Pistachios have several health benefits. They contain a good amount of nutrients like proteins, fiber and antioxidants. Prevents muscular disease or AMD. Lutein and zeaxanthin have been found in pistachios, which helps to reduce the risk of muscular degeneration that occurs in old age. Skincare. Pistachios help to remove the dryness from the skin. This is because of the fats it contains. It helps to make the skin beautiful. Neuroprotective. Pistachios contain vitamin B6, which helps in building the amino acids, and it also helps maintain the nervous system. Low in calories. Pistachio is one of the lowest calorie nuts. 1 ounce of pistachios contain just 159 calories. Good for eye health. The antioxidants present in pistachios like lutein and zeaxanthin are important for eye health. It helps reduce the conditions of cataracts. Pistachios also help to maintain the eye health. Beneficial for gut health. Pistachios help to prevent gut disease and constipation. It also increases the number of good bacteria in the gut. Helpful for weight loss. Since pistachios are low in calories, they are an ideal snack for diet. It helps to maintain weight. Important for heart health. Pistachios help in protecting from cardiovascular disease. It also reduces blood pressure and cholesterol levels. May benefit your blood vessels. Pistachios contain amino acid L-arginine, which is converted to nitric oxide in the body, which helps in promoting healthy blood vessel in the body. Good for blood sugar balance. Pistachios reduce high blood sugar levels in the body and lower the risk of diabetes. Reduce colon cancer risk. Pistachios reduce the risk of colon cancer as it contains high fiber content. Pistachios contain beneficial antioxidants. Pistachios contain lot of antioxidants like lutein, beta-carotene and gamma-tocopherol. It helps in preventing the oxidative damage in the body and lower LDL cholesterol in the body. Ways to use pistachios. Pistachios can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Pistachios can be eaten alone as a snack, on top of a salad, mixed with dry fruits in a trail mix, in baked goods, or as a crunchy coating for fish or meat. The nuts are usually eaten as they are, by splitting them open between fingers or using a nutcracker machine. They can also be enjoyed roasted, salted, or sweetened, just as in macadamia and peanuts. Pistachios are nutty, yet pleasantly sweet in taste, with a fruity aroma. Baklava, a sweet pastry made of layers of paper-thin phyllo or strudel dough, filled with chopped pistachio, almonds and cashew nuts, and sweetened with syrup or honey, is a popular pastry preparation in Turkey, Iran, Armenia, and many Middle East states. Roasted and crushed, its kernels can be sprinkled over salads, desserts, particularly sundaes and other ice cream-based dessert preparations. For example, kulfi in the Indian subcontinent, biscuits, sweets and cakes. Split pistachios are a great addition to vegetable or fruit salads. Popularly known as pista, these nuts have been widely used in sweet dishes in Indian, Pakistani, and other Southeast Asian countries. They can be used to make pesto or nut butter. How to buy and store pistachios? Pistachios can be bought from any grocery store. They are available in various forms such as shelled, unshelled, sweetened or salted. Unshelled pistachios are in their natural form, so it is recommended to buy them. They must be stored in airtight containers in cool and dry places so that they can last for many months without going bad. Safety profile. Overconsumption of pistachios could cause side effects like weight gain. The high protein nut can make you gain weight drastically if you consume more than suggested count every day. Blood pressure. Consuming roasted pistachios seasoned with salt frequently will end up increasing your blood pressure. Gastrointestinal problems. It may cause digestive distress if your body reacts to the compound fructans present in pistachios. The side effects may include constipation, bloating, abdominal pain, flatulence, and diarrhea. Fun facts about pistachios. 98% of pistachios produced in the United States are from California. Iran is the largest producer of pistachios in the world. February 26 is National Pistachio Day. Pistachios are one of the oldest flowering nut trees and are one of the only two nuts mentioned in the Bible. Genesis 43:11. Humans have eaten pistachio nuts for at least 9,000 years. According to legend, pistachios were featured in the fabled Hanging Gardens of Babylon, built in 700 BC by the king Nebuchadnezzar for his wife Amytis. In the 1st century AD, Emperor Vitellius introduced Rome to the pistachio. Apicius, Rome's Julia, child of the 1st century, includes pistachios in his classical cookbook. Perhaps a royal true nut, the Queen of Sheba loved pistachios. In fact, she demanded that the entire region's pistachio harvest be set aside for her. Pistachios are related to the mango and the spice sumac. In China, the pistachio is known as the happy nut, and in Iran as the smiling nut. Pistachios are also known as the green almond. Pistachios are edible, ovoid nut encased in a shell, and are native to some Middle Eastern countries, as well as some neighboring countries in Asia and Europe. And they have been cultivated for thousands of years. The pistachio plant that the nuts grow on is generally a small tree with the scientific name Pistachia vera, from the family Anacardiaceae, the family of cashews, which also includes mangoes and pink peppercorns. And once ripe, the nuts are shaken from the tree as a part of harvesting process. A single pistachio tree can reach up to 10 meters, that is 33 feet in height, and can produce approximately 50 kilograms, that is 110 pounds of nuts over a period of 2 years. And 1 year is generally the high yield year, while the other year produces a lower quantity of nuts. Pistachio nuts are small, generally ranging from 1.5 to 2.2 centimeters, that is 0.6 to 0.87 inches, and weighing roughly 1 to 2 grams, that is 0.03 to 0.07 ounces, with the shell intact. When ripe, the hard shell of pistachios will commonly crack and split halfway, while still inside the hull, which is removed after harvesting, allowing access to the edible kernel without the use of a nut cracker. The shells of pistachios are naturally colored a pale sandy brown. However, they may be artificially colored green or red. A tradition first began and handpickers were used to disguise any handling damage, while the kernel and its skin is usually a green and purple color. Generally, pistachios are eaten raw or roasted, often as a snack, are occasionally added to desserts or used in baked goods, or added to ice cream or chocolate, and they are commonly purchased already salted. Iran in the Middle East was the greatest producer of pistachios in 2013, producing more than half the world's annual quantity, with 478,600 tons, while it is said that China is the greatest consumer at 80,000 tons annually. Along with causing reactions in those peoples who are allergic to tree nuts, pistachios are susceptible to a mold that can be dangerous to human health if not harvested quickly and correctly. Pistachios are very high in vitamin B6, thiamine, copper, manganese, phosphorus, protein, fiber and fat, and they contain many other vitamins and minerals. To like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications.